Hello students, welcome to Virtuous Coaching classes. Today I will explain you double missing frequency according to mean and median.
Okay.
To find mean according to double missing frequency of mean, we are given here class event intervals, then frequency. Class intervals is equal to 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And frequency is here 15. First one is missing, that one is F1. 21. Next missing frequency is according to F2. And last value is 17. And its total is given to us. It is denoted by sigma F, that is 100. In this case, we are given value of mean also, that is mean is denoted by sign x bar, that is equal to 53. Now we can adjust it according to assumed mean method or step deviation method. To find, we have to adjust here x, that is mid value. How we find mid values? Yes beta. Sum of two terms,
Sum of two terms divided by 2.
that is 0 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Then 20 plus 40 divided by 2 is 30. 40 plus 60 divided by 2 is
50,
next 60 plus 80 divided by 2 is
70,
and 80 plus 100 divided by 2 is
90.
next value we have to find here dx, that is according to assumed mean we have to adjust here assumed value 50. Dx is equal to x minus a, that is 10 minus 50 is equal to minus 40. What is the next value beta? 30 minus 50 is equal to
Minus 20,
20. Next value 50 minus 50.
0,
Next 70 minus 50,
20,
and 90 minus 50, that is
40.
next we have to find here dx dash, that is equal to dx divided by I. I means difference of dx, that is we have difference 20, that is equal to minus 40 by 20 minus 2. Next minus 20 by 20 minus 1. 0 by 20 is equal to 0. 20 by 20
1,
and 40 by 20, that is
2,
now we have to find f dx dash. We have to multiply here value of corresponding value of f with dx dash, that is 15 into minus 2, that is equal to
minus 30,
f1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus f1. 21 into 0, that is equal to 0. f2 into 1, that is equal to f2. 17 into 2, that is equal to 34. Now we have to find here f dx dash, that is 34 minus 30 is equal to positive 4 plus value of f2, single f2 minus f1. Now what is the formula of x bar according to step division method? That is equal to a plus sigma f dx dash by
sigma
f into
h or I.
I. Now we have to adjust here value of mean. What is the value of mean here?
53,
53 is equal to what is the value of assumed mean?
that is 50,
plus f dx dash, that is equal to 4 plus f2 minus f1 by sigma f, that is equal to, we have to adjust here 100 into I. What is the value of I here?
The difference of cross intervals,
Difference of dx, that is equal to 20. Now we have to adjust here 53 minus 50. 50 on the left side is equal to 53 minus 50 is equal to next value 0 with 0 cancelled, 2 with 10 cancelled, we have 5. Now 4 plus f2 minus f1 by 5. Now this 5 on the left side is equal to, what should we do? This is in division, on left side it will be multiply. 53 minus 50 is 3, multiply by 5. That is 4 plus f2 minus f1. This is equal to 15 equal to 4 plus f2 minus f1. Now 4 on the left side.
Minus
15 minus 4 is equal to f2 minus f1, and 15 minus 4 is equal to 11 equal to f2 minus f1. Now we can adjust the value of f2 according to f1, that is 11 plus f1 is equal to f2. Now we have the value of f2 according to f1, and value of sigma f is equal to 100. Now we have to add all the values of f, that is 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 carryover 5. 53 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to what? Total value of f, that is sigma f. Now we have 53 plus f1 plus f2 is equal to sigma f is equal to 100. Now 53 on the right side, we have to
100 minus
f1 plus f2 is equal to 100 minus 53, that is equal to f1 plus f2 is equal to 47. Now we have to put value of f2 in this equation, and this is equal to f1 plus f2 is 11 plus f1 is equal to 47. Now this full equation is according to only f1, and we can find value of f1, that is 2f1 is equal to 11 on the right side. We have to subtract it, minus 11, 2f1 is equal to 36 and f1 is equal to 18. Now put this value of f1 in first equation. Now the value is 11 plus 18 is equal to f2, that is f2 is equal to 39. So the answer is f1 is equal to 18 and f2 is equal to 39. If we put this value in the frequency, then total of all these values should be 100. You can check it by putting these values. It's according to double missing frequency of mean.